Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're not new here, don't worry, the unboxing is gonna start very soon and you'll be able to go on your merry way. But if you aren't new here, then you kind of know the videos that I have uploaded, and since last video I've kind of decided that I'm starting a new era and I'm doing things that I love, etc, etc, etc. And I just want to kind of put a disclaimer in case you're like baffled by the fact that I am uploading like a video game related video. It's a part of me. I love it and I hope you do too. This hair just does not want to stay behind my ear. I'm kind of just all over the place at the moment, but I really am trying to find the videos that maybe most of my audience does prefer. In light of that, if you do want to go list in the comments down below of what content you would like to see from me, that would actually help me gauge where my audience really is and where you guys are at, so I know exactly what you guys want to see. I'm gonna go ahead and go before I talk too much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget that in my description I will be leaving my friend code for the Switch. If you do want to play together, we can go on each other's islands. Oh gosh, it comes out tomorrow. I'm so excited. So if you want to do that, just don't forget to check the description. Aside from that, I love you and thank you so much for watching. Okay, hi. Okay, so I want to make this quick, not only because I want to play it as soon as possible, but this is just so beautiful and I cannot, like, my hand, like, yeah, I really need to play this as soon as possible. Here it is, GameStop. Hi. I spent a lot of money on this. That's not important because she is here and she, Tom, no. Okay, I'm just gonna get into it because I don't want to talk too much. I am so excited. I am screaming. Okay, so let's take it out of the bag. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Are you joking? This is amazing. Okay, so this is the front side of the special edition Switch for Animal Crossing New Horizons. And one thing that I haven't seen yet is the back. And look how beautiful the back is. The back is just so stunning. It's so pretty. Like, honestly, this is getting me excited to just want to play more. In my opinion, this is the prettiest limited edition Nintendo Switch that I have seen. And honestly, I am so happy that I did get it because the detail in this Switch is so amazing. The amount of time and effort that they put in this is very visible and very obvious. And I adore that. Wow. Oh my gosh, no, it's so pretty. What the heck? It feels so crazy to actually hold even these controllers in hand because I did turn in my V1 Switch to save up money for this Switch. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been able to play the Switch at all. I don't have the amount of money to buy 2 Switches and then just like play everywhere, but this is so dope, so amazing, and it was honestly worth the wait because it just looks so good. Well, that was honestly so stunning. I am so excited to play. I don't even have words to express how beautiful this is. I can just already imagine myself playing Animal Crossing and all types of games on here. Of course, the dock. Oh gosh, the dock. The dock is beautiful, stunning, remarkable, show-stopping. It is amazing. Alrighty, so that's basically it for the unboxing. And one more thing before I go, when I would play Animal Crossing New Leaf, I loved it, I enjoyed it, it was very fun. But one thing I did lack was friends on the game. I never really got that experience of playing with other people because most of the people at my school really didn't play that. And then I just felt kind of weird being like, hey, you want to play Animal Crossing? Like, I know it's kind of weird, but like, do you still want to play with me? And yeah, so that never came about. Because it's a new decade and it's a brand new Animal Crossing game, I just want to let you guys know that down below I will be listing my friend code for my Switch. If you guys want to add me, you can. We can play Animal Crossing together. Just imagine all the fun. Honestly, especially because there's so many new features and endless possibilities coming out for Animal Crossing New Horizons that I won't be able to do it all by myself. I need friends to do it with, and it will be just so much fun. If you do want to go ahead and add me, my friend code will be down below. Alrighty, if you enjoy Animal Crossing just as much as me, and if you were able to pick up this beautiful, amazing Switch, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below because I really want to talk more about it. I know this is kind of random of a video, but I do want to be transparent 100%, and this is a part of me. I do like video gaming and having fun and just living life to the fullest. So now that this is out there, if you do want to talk about it more or if you would like more videos about it, let me know. I'm honestly open to anything. And yeah, alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I adore you. I love you. Remember to always be yourself and just be happy. Even though that might be hard, just try to choose your own happiness because you really have the power and the control to do that, okay? Don't forget that. I love you. Until next video. Bye.